Thank you for your interest in the free version of our Guru Optin Template. The purpose of this video is just to give you an overview of what you actually get. Okay, so once you've downloaded the zip file from our download area and extracted it, you'll get a folder called Guru HTML Template, and inside you'll find what you see here. There's a folder called Form Codes, a folder called Static Background, and a link here where you can actually go get details about our Platinum version, which includes the WordPress version and some more advanced features. But let's dive into the HTML version here, okay? So let's go into this static background file. Okay, so there's quite a few files here, so I just want to explain them just so there's no confusion, okay? So the main template is your index.html file, and that looks like this, okay? And the templates, all the templates in this folder currently work with Aweber, but I'll explain how you can switch that out in a minute. You'll see at the bottom here that there are links in the footer, copyright terms. You know, I can click copyright and it pops up. You can switch this information. We supply these templates just for your, so it's easy for you. And that's what these are. So the copyright file, the earnings file, the privacy file, and the terms file. You can open those in your own HTML editor or a text editor and search and replace the company name and links with yours. If you don't want that footer in there, that's why this index-no footer is here. So if I open this up, you'll see there's no footer. Same page, no footer. The other files are an index video. If I open that up, it's just an example that shows you how you can add a video. And the other one is name and email, because some people, even though it is proven that you will get a higher opt-in rate when if you just ask for the email address, some people do want to still ask for name and email address, so we've included a template for that. Now, just because these are called index name and footer, you don't have to call them that. You can rename these and upload them to your server. You can name them whatever you want. The only things that you shouldn't really change are the terms, privacy, earnings, and copyright. If you do, you have to go into these files and change the link to those files if you rename them. Okay, so let's open up this file. I'm going to open up with a text editor just so you can see what's inside, okay? So here is the Aweber form I was talking about. Okay, so if I wanted to swap this out and use get response, that's what this folder here for form codes is. You'll see that we supply 3 form codes, one for Aweber, one for get response, and one for MailChimp. So if I wanted to use get response, I could just open this up, copy this form. You'll see there's an opening form tag and a closing form tag. So I'm going to copy that, copy it, and when I go into my template, I can just replace the form code to the form code, and now this template will automatically work for get response. Now, once you've decided what autoresponder service you're using, the only thing you need to do is 1, change your headline, 2, change your subheadline, headline, subheadline, and here is your Aweber code. So you need to, when you create your Aweber list in Aweber and generate form code, when you look in the code, you'll need to replace these 3 IDs, the form ID, the list name, and the meta ad tracking. You can also replace this redirect. This is the page that your users go to after they opt in. But that's it. So we can right out of the box, you can just use the index.html file and just edit the headline, subheadline, and your Aweber details, upload to your web host, and you are done. So I hope that helps, and good luck with your Guru Optin templates.